I came up with this idea. I was having very interesting conversations with my friends. One of them is sitting here. Ananda Prabhat, founder of Viz Media,
Yay!
founding member of eCell, and my college friend. Viz Media, she told me to add, so I'm adding.
Viz Media needs to be added everywhere.
Okay.
It's my agency. It needs to be marketed everywhere.
Tell me, what is Viz Media?
So Viz Media is a social media management agency currently. We provide end-to-end services for all the startups and small businesses. Why? Because all the small businesses have a myth in their head that when you work with the agency packages go above 40k. So we want to burst that myth that you get good services plus mentorship in the sense of we'll be helping you every step of your social media.
So you're providing the same services at a reasonable cost for small businesses.
Yes, for small businesses
Really?
and startups.
Really great.
Thank you.
I have couple of questions, couple of topics.
Yeah.
The team researched on this.
Team. A
Team
team of
includes-
total one.
Team includes myself.
Why
So-
am I looking here? I should look there. Yeah.
Yeah, camera trained. I am camera trained.
You're camera trained.
Yes, I'm camera trained.
I am always behind the camera, so I'm not.
Oh,
I
is
am-
this the first time you're on camera?
No. I've been on camera.
Give us the privilege. Say yes.
Okay, yes.
So, the first question which I have, and I want both of our perspective. मैं मेरा point of view बताऊंगा कि how did we met. So go ahead, tell us how did we met. What was my first introduction to you?
Okay, so how we met? Harshad and I met through someone, and it was regarding something. We didn't met as friends. Like मैंने इसको कहीं देख लिया and we became friends. It was us meeting was because of something.
You can name the something. The something
Yes,
has
I'll
happened.
name it. It was because eCell. So Vidhi approached me that you guys are creating something. All she did was came into my room and said, I want you to be part of entrepreneurship cell that we're making. And I was like, okay. I said okay at that time, and I didn't know that he's a part. And then she sat and said that Harshad, you must have heard about Harshad from our college.
Did you?
No, I didn't actually. I was like, who's
Obvious.
Harshad? I did hear it about you from actually.
Achha.
You were a close friend, no? So I did. Okay. That I don't want to get into.
Okay, let's not.
Okay. So she said that Harshad had this idea and she joined with you. So it's like, yes, it's related to entrepreneurship and I'm in for anything that it has to. Then we met for the first time after the team was made in the library.
Okay, I don't remember.
Yeah, I remember.
I don't remember.
We met.
Yes, I do.
We met in the library and we were late and we were just bitching ki, how could someone be late on our first meeting?
Yes.
Yeah. So yes, that's how we met. And I feel the only thing why we all clicked was because we were all just bitching about people who were late. And that was something that ki charo ka it was ki don't be late.
Same interest, yeah.
Yes. Don't be late, have work ethics and all of that stuff. So we are all very related to like अगर काम दिया हुआ है तो so get it done.
Yes.
I feel सब में this cheese is
Common quality was
yes.
there.
So that is something that clicked.
I came up with this idea of eCell and I told it to Vidhi because she was my classmate and we had this earlier interaction about entrepreneurship and the other stuff. So I told this to her and then we came up with the thing ki we need a team for that. It's not a 2 people or 1 people job. So I told ki yes, marketing you can see, I'll see the overall stuff. We need someone for the technical thing. तो I asked कि तुझे पता है क्या कोई तो she said yes I know one वो बहुत अच्छी है like very professional she'll be great and stuff so like yeah बात करके देख ले if you trust her I trust her she might be good
Yes.
it turns out she is let the record show so
Yeah, I
that
was
the
really
first.
professional. One thing, I was really professional with these people for about a year.
Very much.
Till
Very much.
even I was really professional. I didn't even talk to him about anything other than ESL for about a year. Like not even one as a conversation. I don't remember us having a conversation.
Even I
normal
was the
conversation ki when are you waking up? ऐसा भी
No,
नहीं.
no, no.
ऐसा
Just
भी नहीं. Just
काम की
work.
बात.
Ananya, this is to be done.
हाँ.
When are we meeting?
Yes.
This.
Totally. मैं भी वैसा ही था कि
हाँ.
like काम की बात करते हैं.
Very
बस.
calm की बात, very. And now that Onthrovate got done, I feel when Onthrovate got done, that is when we started having normal conversations.
During Onthrovate.
During
During
Onthrovate.
Onthrovate.
Yeah.
Yes. Tell the viewers what Onthrovate is.
Okay, so it was the only thing why we all joined. That was our goal, ki like joining in and bringing in entrepreneurship का कुछ तो भी to college. क्योंकि that was in our mind. Doing the East Summit was the goal, and that is why we had met. Onthrovate was the first East Summit that happened in KJSIT, and these people were the one who started the whole 2 साल का journey.
2 साल का journey.
2 साल
It was hell of a journey, man.
Yes.
I mean, it took so long, but मुझे लग रहा है कि बहुत टाइम लगा.
हाँ.
2 साल is not something which would.
Just for event.
हाँ.
Plus, the college was getting so much things from that event.
Okay. It will be controversial.
I don't know. That was needed because having East Summit is the basic minimum that a child can get from their college. Every other
Apart from that,
yes, every college has a East Summit. But why didn't? That was my point. Like even when we were starting, what I had in my mind is every other person in every other college is getting a East Summit of their own. Why are we not getting?
My motivation was I was getting admission in a very great college. I didn't take that, and I took admission here. So now I was missing कि यहाँ पे ये सब हो रहा है and यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं हो रहा. तो I went on ranting for a couple of months, initial months, और जब मैं छुट्टी में था एक दिन घर, तो वो perspective change हुआ. I thought कि कुछ नहीं हो रहा कितने दिन रोएंगे, 4 साल तो नहीं रोने वाले.
करना पड़ेगा.
तो why not see this as an opportunity?
Yes.
कि कुछ नहीं हो रहा तो हम करते हैं ना, हमें क्या कम है.
Right. And why I joined entrepreneurship? So we moved to.
She's not letting me ask question. खुद ही सवाल पूछ रही, कुछ
अरे
जवाब
यार,
दे.
okay, I will shut up at this point.
नहीं, go on.
So when I moved to Mumbai, I always had a very.
Where were you born?
Singrauli, MP.
Okay, so you moved to Mumbai.
Yes. So when I moved to Mumbai, I always had in my mind that I want to do something of my own. But where I was, there was no way to get a head start.
Achha.
I've always had in my mind that I want to start making something of my own since I was 15. That was my goal. I had goals like 15 pe I'll start something of my own, 18 pe I'll have something built. That things I had in my mind when I was 13 and 12 or 13. But things didn't work out because I had to do JEE, which I didn't have my mind on. वो अचानक से हो गया. Plus I had to go. I wanted to actually do my graduation, the undergraduation from Canada.
Okay, abroad studies.
And yeah, so I was studying for that, but my parents didn't allow. So things happened, and I couldn't do what I really wanted. And when I moved to Mumbai, I moved to a big city, and I saw, okay, I'm in a big city now. I can take my steps that I wanted to. I saw a place, potential, and and that was the month I started working in social media. And I could see, okay, I can create something of my own here in this field. I can plus do my education here, plus I want to go into entrepreneurship. And that was the correct time that Vidhi came to me and introduced that. I was like, oh my god. When I wanted manifestation, so I take it as manifestation. I was at that time only I was thinking, yeah, I want to do something of my own. I want to go into more fields. I want to meet new people, and that's when Vidhi came. So that's how it all started.
Okay, great. You mentioned the challenges which you faced. What do you see is the difference between the place you were there and the place you are?
Very clear. सोशल मीडिया ऐसा होता है कि सोशल मीडिया में व्हेन यू हैव अ बिग सिटी यू हैव अ बिगर ऑडियंस टू मार्केट. कोई भी ब्रांड का प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड अगर ब्रांड है तो प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड ब्रांड का ऐसा रहता है कि समवन शुड कम टू देयर प्लेस और समवन शुड टेक थिंग्स फ्रॉम देयर. तो व्हेन यू आर इन मुंबई यू हैव अ बिगर ऑडियंस. अगर कोई घाटकोपर का सम प्लेसेस देयर इफ दे मार्केट अंधेरी के भी लोग आएंगे. समझ रहे कितना किलोमीटर्स बढ़ जाता है. और जो मेरा वेयर आई वाज जगह ही होगी 14-15 किलोमीटर्स की. फुल सिटी ही होगा 14-15 किलोमीटर्स का. अब उसमें भी जो भी ब्रांड्स हैं उनको मार्केटिंग चाहिए ही नहीं क्योंकि हर एक आदमी जानता है.
इट्स एन क्लोज्ड इकोसिस्टम.
यस. और आदमी जानता है कुछ मार्केट करके भी नागपुर के लोग आर नॉट कमिंग.
राइट.
क्यों आएंगे उस सिटी में. People will go to Nagpur, no? Right? So you can see कि even वहाँ पे ऐसा culture नहीं था that people, students of 15, 16, 18 years can work. ऐसा, and when you come to Mumbai, you can see every child working into something.
Yes.
Every child doing something of their own. इधर acceptance है कि ठीक है, she can work. वहाँ पे plus I had parents on my head. You can't go here, you can't go there. यहाँ पे it is कि I can go anywhere. I can go at any time of the day. I can go for shoots at 6 a.m. I can go for shoots at 4 a.m. I can even work late night 2 to 3 p.m. I can work in my office. वैसा it was not at home. Where would I go? किसके लिए जाते?
Yes, true. When did this social media thing came along? Like what?
It was really random. Actually, it was not random. Now that I think of it, it was not random. I had manifested it in some way.
But how? I mean, what was your first interaction of social media? Instagram तेरे जीवन में आया कैसे? पहली story क्या है?
Oh my god, yes. So Instagram, I guess, launched when we were in 5th or 6th standard. Which year was it? 2013 or 14, I guess.
Okay, whatever. Let's not get into it.
So it launched that time, and so my brother is 7 years older than me. When he was,
okay.
So when he is a teenager, he is supposed to use Instagram and stuff. ना तभी Facebook was the old thing. Facebook के बाद Instagram came. Right. So अब भैया use कर रहे हैं तो I also didn't want to use. अब भैया use कर रहे हैं तो मैं भी तो use करूँगी ना. और I am a very observant person while using technology. तो I started using when I was in 6th. कुछ नहीं करती थी, बस posts, algorithm ये सब देखती थी.
अच्छा, 6 से.
Yes.
Okay.
मतलब.
And what was your parents' stance on this?
Actually, I had a phone. कहीं से मिल जाता था. किसी का टूट गया, खराब हो गया, तो उसको बनवा के लाए तो they used to give it to me. अब मैं इतनी शानी मेरे को चलाने नहीं देते थे, तो मैं गूगल पे इंस्टाग्राम लॉगिन करती थी और गूगल पे स्क्रॉल करती थी. ठीक है. और कभी कभी इंस्टाग्राम रहता था. So I learned about a calculator app जिसमें you can hide apps.
Oh my god!
I learned these things.
6th standard में.
6th standard में.
बाप रे. Okay.
Yes. So these things, these sneaky little things, I learned in 6th standard only. So I used to, and even my brother knew about calculator app. So I used to use it for 2 months. I used it for 2 months. Calculator app से कर रही हूँ. और फिर 2 months after when he checks my, उन्होंने 2 calculator किया.
2 account की है यहाँ पे.
2 calculator apps कैसे? ठीक है, फिर मुझे पासवर्ड बता, पासवर्ड. ठीक है, पर उधर से स्टार्टेड क्योंकि सोशल मीडिया इज अ गुड प्लेस टू अर्न. प्लस वन क्रिएटर, यूट्यूब क्रिएटर अमन धातरवाल. I was very influenced. I was very influenced with Aman Dhatarwal because Aman Dhatarwal was the person who brought in earning early in my life.
How come? Tell me more.
He has a lot of videos. मतलब तब he used to post when he was actually graduating, about to graduate from his college, and he used to post like how he made 2 crores from college without a package, without getting placed into a company, how he started. So there was one video specifically where he just wrote the amount of ways that you can earn in your college.
Achha.
And I was the kind of, if you can do it in college, I want to do it in 10th standard. मुझे हर चीज
competitive edge.
मुझे पता नहीं क्यों, हाँ, हर चीज को जो दूसरे दूसरे आदमी एक एज में कर रहा है, मुझे उससे पहले कर रहा है. I don't know why. It has been just my thing.
Okay.
तो तब से I used to see कि what are some ways. तो उधर पे freelance वगैरह आया. I used to write what is freelance, internships and all of that stuff. Then I got to know that there is a digital marketing thing also. क्योंकि अमन भैया in his college he took a place ऐसा ही and he converted into a studio.
I've heard that story.
Yeah. So वैसा वहाँ से आया कि okay, people are paying so they can record. So if they're recording, they are putting it out somewhere. Where are they putting
it? But they are earning it,
yes.
earning it from there.
Yeah, they're earning. But the person who's recording is also putting that stuff out.
Right.
And he's putting out to earn money as well. So I was like, okay, maybe I can also do that. And even Aman Bhaiya was the one who introduced digital marketing
agency.
Yes.
So is this the start of Viz Media? Can we see it as a start of Viz Media?
Start of Viz Media, no.
Then?
Absolutely not. Start of Viz Media was a AVB Media before, no?
Okay. I mean, I'm curious about how from a girl who starts using, who hides Instagram in a calculator in 6th standard, how did she turn to start a social media agency? What is the journey? I'm curious of the journey.
So, journey. I came to Mumbai. पहला महीना हुआ. Second महीने में मेरे को ऐसे तलब होने लगी. I wanna work.
तलब होने लगी.
अब मुझे काम करना है. अब मुझे ये रूम से निकलना है.
guys.
अब मुझे इस रूम से निकलना है. क्योंकि once you stay in your room, you just are
sleep.
हाँ.
Yes. Sleep.
And I hate wasting time.
Okay.
So I am ऐसा कि काम चाहिए मुझे to
notes
survive.
ले लो notes.
हाँ.
You should hate waste time.
Do not waste time, guys.
Time is money.
Yes. Clients मार देते हैं deadline meet नहीं होती है तो.
Your clients will see this.
I hope
so
they
see clients.
I hope they see it.
She is working for you.
Yes.
Okay, go ahead.
तो I got an opportunity. मतलब मेल चेक कर रही थी. I used to be very much on
कौन सा
mails.
email? सुमया का?
सुमया email.
Okay.
ईमेल चेक करी थी and there was a internship hiring ऐसा बस सब्जेक्ट था. मैं सोचा ठीक है क्या ही होगा चेक करते हैं. चेक किया. Moin for the first internship place.
Okay.
उनकी हायरिंग्स चालू थी. So उधर पे बस ऐसा सोच के कि I wanna apply somewhere. Let's start it. Let's take the first step. क्या ही जाएगा मेरा. So उधर ही in 30-40 minutes I created my first resume. That is really bad. Very bad. I created my first resume. बहुत झूठ लिखा. मेरे को तो ये आता है, मेरे को तो वो आता है. I'm working on something. बहुत झूठ लिखा. Then I uploaded it. उनका मुझे कॉल है. क्रिस्टीना मैम. Shout out
Christina.
Thank you, Christina. Then उनका कॉल है. She was like, okay, you are really young. I was 17 at that time. You're really young. Do you want to work? But why do you want to work? Then I knew that I'm good at social media because I've been using it since so long. I know what is hook and I know what stuff. And she was like, oh, okay, we can give you an opportunity, but it was unpaid.
Okay.
Then I took a step.
So what she was giving instead?
Just traveling expense. That's it.
Okay.
Because her office was in Goregaon and I had to travel just 1 or 2 days. All I was getting at that time was knowledge.
Okay, and experience. Right.
Talking to new people.
Exposure as well.
Yes. That's all I was getting. And I felt at that time, for a first year to even work at some place is good. Just working, ethics आएंगे मुझे.
Absolutely, right.
मुझे कुछ तो सीखने मिलेगा. And I got to learn a lot. Okay. In those 3 months, I know that I was working unpaid, but that is the sole reason I have Viz Media now.
Oh,
that
interesting.
And I'm so grateful to Christina because she knew that I didn't know anything about social. I didn't even know how to handle a camera. She gave me an opportunity when I knew nothing. She gave me a place to start. She gave me her Instagram to change. And I was not able to do sheets, Google Sheets. I was not able to handle sheets. I was not able to handle calendars. I was not really amazing with the times, deadlines. She taught me everything. She was really patient those 3 months. She taught me. She had a social media manager before, she was paying to, and she had
Achha.
an amazing job.
Oh.
And then shifting to a person who has
No experience, a newbie.
Yeah.
Mm.
And teaching her everything. She used to sit with me at 6. I remember we had one time at 6 p.m. We used to meet every day online. And half an hour she used to tell me everything about their brand, how it needs to be done, what I need to do, everything.
Okay.
She has invested a lot of time and she has taught me everything.
She's a torchbearer.
Yeah. She is the, I can say she is the only reason I learned social media.
Interesting.
Totally.
Interesting.
Yes. And then started with freelancing, got into 2-3 clients, and then I was like, I want to make it big. I want to expand. What is the best way to expand? Get with new people. Start working with new people. Then I found 2 people. One was photographer and one was an editor.
Okay.
So ऐसा था कि
I remember who was this.
Yeah. And I did I was strategizing. I was putting dates, calendar बना रही हूँ सब कुछ. And I sat with those people for a month, teaching them everything.
What did you learn from them?
Do not trust people. All I learned was do not trust people. You will get people that will work for you, but do not trust enough कि तुम सब कुछ बता रहे हो उनको.
Interesting.
Yes, do not.
I believe those people will watch this as well.
It's fine. Actually, the main problem that it didn't work out because they were not good with work ethics, and I'm very because of Christina ma'am.
Oh,
yeah,
is it?
Yeah. One thing, we had a meeting in the Riddle where we sit, and there, Bio-Riddle, in the same meeting room, the last one.
Achha.
There, Christina ma'am and Viraj sir took 1 hour ka meeting just talking about work ethics and integrity.
Oh my god.
They were so big on integrity and work ethics and deadlines, and that is where I learned it from. They were speaking to us and asking us what did we say. Repeat it for us.
Great.
So they were teaching every bit to become a good working part of a team.
Working professional.
And from there I became a very big person on work ethics and deadlines.
You are.
Yes. So, yes. वहाँ से सीखा, and these people were not very great with deadlines, and that is why I was plus with business I'm like अगर तुम नहीं कर पा रहे हो then please please leave it because I'll get it done from someone else, and if you're not doing it, it's fine. And then these people left, and then then Viz Media started. For a lot of months I was the only one working in Viz Media. For a lot of months.
That's how startup journey is, guys.
For a lot of months, I was handling 4 to 5 clients, and I was editing for everyone, scheduling,
recording,
editing, strategizing, all of it for 4 to 5 clients.
Damn.
It was hard for 3 to 4 months. It was really tough. But then I started with expanding the team. Got me here. Got Shalmuli. These were the first 2 people for Viz Media.
So that's how Viz Media started. And you're, is it registered?
Yes, it got registered as an
I knew
MSME
this
sole
was the
proprietor.
Okay, so go ahead.
It is a sole proprietor company. It got registered in February, just after my.
And you're running since? I mean, since how it has become started? कब से शुरू हुआ है Viz Media?
Viz Media तो शुरू हो चुका था 1 साल पहले से.
हाँ.
But register हुआ अभी February में हुआ है.
Okay, nice.
Yes.
Okay, so next thing. So how many clients do you have? If you are comfortable naming the number.
6 to 7.
6 to 7 clients right now. And what is the most weird random request any client has made? Achha, these clients are from which niche?
A lot of niches. So one is from legal tech, one is fashion, one is skincare, one is vending, one is personal branding. So it's a lot.
Very diverse.
Yeah, diverse. Yeah, so we're opening. We're not niching down. We want to work in as many niches as we can. So
but don't you think
being specialized in one
specialization matters? Or
specialization matters when you have worked with everyone. Because once you know कि सब लोगों में क्या experience, then you can niche down. कि तुम्हें क्या बेस्ट लग रहा है. So for now I wanna experience every niche and then I can niche down. Because अगर मैं सबका experience ही नहीं लूँगी मुझे पता ही नहीं चलेगा किस में मेरा potential best है. Right. So right till now I've worked in a lot of niches, but I feel कि for me best ones are skincare and fashion.
अच्छा.
Because that is where my creativity totally comes out.
All right.
And plus personal branding for scripting.
Okay. While I was working as an intern in a social media agency, I was doing client acquisition for a month. And at that time, I noticed this while I was talking to small business owners. They see social media as a part of expense
And not an investment.
Yes, we have had a talk on
Yes.
this. So tell me.
So this is a really big myth for all the small businesses that social media में डाल रहे हैं, पैसे डाल रहे हैं, क्या होगा? Expense जा रहा है, मेरा extra इधर पैसे जा रहे हैं. And they just don't realize the power of social media. ठीक है, in the first 2 months you won't see growth. Start running ads. The amount of sales you'll see, increase in sales you'll see is amazing. Run ads of around 200, you'll get a reach of 26-30k. I've done it recently.
Oh my god.
The amount of sales you'll see, plus when you have a place, मतलब तुम बता दो मेटा को कि भाई मुंबई के लोग चाहिए. You'll get amazing sales. They don't see the investment. मतलब क्या returns मिलता है? It is total ROI model behind. They just don't understand, and they don't understand. That is why they're not really involved in social media. I've met a lot of founders that are not willing to come on screen. Why are you not? You're the face of the brand. Once you are the face of the brand, people will recognize the brand by you. They'll have more trust.
And I mean, this is the recent trend which is observed कि India, not only in India, but overall founder-led brands, founder-driven brands are doing very well.
Amazing.
Yes.
Create one tip for every founder. Create your personal brand better than your company's brand.
Contact Viz Media for that. That is unsaid, right?
Yeah. It's just a tip. You don't have to come to me or go somewhere else. For personal branding, all you can do is start recording your day. Start putting out the little things that you do in your day. Things you learn as a founder. People are willing enough to watch that. People are willing to know what is a founder of Nike doing.
Yes.
Right? People are willing to see that, and all you have to do is record your day. You might feel that it is not a big deal, but for others it is.
I mean, this is how viewers trend is changing, which I've observed. They are more interested in raw and real conversations. The PR, trained, fake things are really vanishing.
Yeah, just record yourself. Edit small things. Why you don't even have to edit. Just push it out. Record and push it out. You'll have amazing growth by your personal brand.
Yeah.